Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use a bubble waffle maker. First, let's get ready to create some delicious treats. Begin by preheating your bubble waffle maker for at least 5 minutes. This ensures perfect, even cooking. While it heats, prepare your favorite bubble waffle batter, making sure it's smooth and free of any lumps. Finally, lightly grease both cooking plates with a non-stick spray or a small brush of oil to prevent sticking and ensure easy removal. Now that your maker is hot and ready, it's time to pour the batter. Carefully pour about 3/4 of a cup of your prepared batter directly into the center of the bottom cooking plate. Gently close the lid, allowing the batter to spread evenly. Let it cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. You'll know it's done when it's a beautiful golden brown. Remember, resist the urge to open the lid too soon. Patience is key for a perfectly formed waffle. Once your bubble waffle is perfectly cooked and golden, it's time for the next step. Carefully open the lid and use a non-scratch utensil, like a silicone spatula, to gently lift and remove the waffle from the maker. Immediately transfer the hot waffle to a cooling rack or, if you prefer, a shaping cone. This is the crucial moment to shape it. While it's still warm and pliable, you can easily roll it into a cone or fold it for your desired presentation. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your amazing bubble waffles. After shaping, let your waffle cool for just a moment on a rack. This helps it achieve that delightful crispy texture. Now for the fun part, filling it. Load it up with your favorite toppings like scoops of ice cream, an assortment of fresh fruits, or a generous dollop of whipped cream. Finish with a drizzle of chocolate or caramel sauce or a simple dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.